Little tail.
Yeah, Bailey's tail. Okay, so the card says, Dear Dean, happy Halloween. I miss you so much. Aunt Amy and the cats and Jimmy.
Hey, Amy.
Yeah, that's from Amy.
Amy.
Yeah.
Amy.
Yeah.
Amy.
Aunt Amy, yeah.
Amy.
Uh-huh.
Amy, Addy.
Is that a cat? Yes, it is.
Amy, Addy.
Can you say hi, Aunt Amy? Dean, say hi to Aunt Amy.
No.
No. Do you miss Aunt Amy?
No.
No? Do you want her to come visit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Amy.
You gonna go put that on the fridge?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, you gonna go stick it up with a magnet?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, put it up with a magnet. Good job, mister. Good job.
Mommy.
Yeah?
Mommy